No one told me it's gonna be a test. Maybe I'll write it in C++ because that's my favorite language. Are you sure? Should I know it?
I like it.
Okay, cool. I made up my mind that okay, I wanna go to Australia. I'm very, very good at researching. Deakin stood apart for me because of the hands-on learning that it offers. I work on things that actually work, that I can actually see working in real life, right? I work with AI models, machine models, robotics, and then I also do research. You become a jack of all trades and you have the opportunity to actually see for yourself what's the exact field you're really interested into and what you want to pursue for your career. So when I was doing Capstone, the team that I was working on, that's actually a small startup in Australia. I did all the work. They were quite impressed with what I did. They offered me, okay, we have an internship opportunity available. Are you ready? Like, do you want to do it? I was like, why not? I felt really, really good. I felt like, okay, you achieved something. You didn't ask for it and they offered you. So that was a really, really good feeling. Deakin has given me the wings to fly and I really feel proud of that.